Hey guys, it's Mrs. Rush. Hope you're all doing well, and I miss seeing all of you. This week we're going to be working on finding the mean and mode of different sets of numbers. Okay, again, we're going to be finding the mean and the mode for different sets of numbers. All right, great, let's get started. The first thing I want you to know is what a mean is. So the mean is a type of average. Okay, so a mean, when you find the mean, you're actually also finding the average of a set of numbers. So here are steps to find the mean. You find the mean by number one. We add all of our numbers together. So step one is we're going to add up all of the numbers. Then step two, we divide by the number of data values. So we divide by the number of data values. So that just means, guys, we're going to divide by how many numbers there are listed, okay? So step one, we add up all the numbers together, and then step two, we divide by how many numbers there are, or they also say divide by the number of data values. Okay, so let's do an example of the mean. This is how we would find the mean for this set of numbers. Our numbers that they give us are 2, 5, 9, 3, 5, 4, and 7. So let's find the mean. Okay, step one, we have to add up all the numbers. Okay, so I'll show you two ways. You can first type it out like this. 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7 equals, okay? I'm going to try to write it down here with this little pen to show you also, because we should be showing our work. So I'm going to use the purple. So let's do first, I know that 2 plus 5 is 7, okay? And then 7 plus 9, so sorry if my writing's a little hard to read. 7 plus 9 is 16. So I did the 9. Now I'm going to do the 3. 16 plus 3 is 19. There you go. Now I'm going to add the 5. 19 plus 5 is 24. Down the 4, carry the 1. Great, keep going. I have two numbers left, the 4 and then the 7. 24 plus 4 is 28. And then the last one we're going to add is the 7. So I'll bring it up here, 28 plus 7. Sometimes as a way I remember this is I say to find the mean, I say the mean is really mean because it makes you add up all the numbers and then you have to divide by how many numbers there are. So let me finish this. 28 plus 7 is 35. All right, great. So when I add up all the numbers together, I get 35. Awesome. Oh, sorry. All right, so now let me go back to this. So I can also put 35 here. If you used a calculator and you added them, you can check and you would get 35. Great. Remember, that's just step one. Means really mean. You have to do a little bit more. So now we're going to take that 35 and we're going to divide it by how many numbers there are. So let me put a little division sign. We're going to divide 35 by how many numbers there are. So let's count how many numbers there were. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I take my 35 and divide by 7 numbers, and I get 5. So my answer is 5. The mean for this set of numbers is 5. Awesome job, guys. All right, I'm going to make part 2 where we go over how to find the mode. So again, this was how we would find the mean. All right, I'll see you guys soon.